Okay, we're going to look at some input devices here and how to plug them in. First of all, we're going to look at just a regular VGA monitor cable. I'll plug right into there. They make them also DVI, but this is a VGA, and you just kind of put them in there. It goes in one way, and you screw it down, and it gets nice and tight. And then this mouse, this is a regular USB connection, so I'm going to plug it in there. And my keyboard, I've kind of extended it to USB because I had it on another system, but you can also plug it in to the PS2 port. Got one for the keyboard and one for the mouse also there, so I can plug it in there. And it plugs in just one way. Or I can use this adapter, which I like doing, and I like running it off USB. Sometimes the computer doesn't have the PS2 port, so that's why I use it that way. Alright, that's it on the basic input and output devices.